Hi everyone, welcome to TGIF, your weekly dose of tech Gyan. Voice is the new UI, and fueling this is the emergence of speech LLMs. Speech LLMs mark a transformative leap in human computer interaction by providing conversational agents that are intelligent, personalized, and always on. Leading this charge is Sarvam AI, an organization whose mission is to build sovereign AI for India and Bharat. And to share more details on the voice stack, we have Shubham Arora, who leads enterprise sales. Hi Shubham, welcome to TGIF.
Yeah, thanks for having me. Lovely to be here with you.
Great. Shubham, let's get started, and can you please provide an overview of Sarvam AI as an organization?
For sure, absolutely. So we're a foundational generative AI company, Arvind, in the sense that we are building for India, committed to build for Bharat for a very long time, and we are committed to build the full stack of generative AI. What does that mean? Is that we build models, we build foundational models, speech models, text-to-speech models, document understanding models, translation models, chat completion models, all sorts of models. We also build platforms. We also have a conversational AI platform called Sarvam Samvad. We have an enterprise reasoning platform, and all of those models that I spoke about are also available over the API platform that we have. So essentially, one-stop place for any builder to be able to build sovereign AI from scratch is what Sarvam is. Yeah.
Great. You spoke about the Samvad platform. Can you share some more details in terms of the key differentiating aspects?
Sure, absolutely. So, given our depth of research in generative AI, the kind of models that we put out this platform called Sarvam Samvad. It's a platform where any builder will be able to build out conversational, very human-like chat as well as voice bots. What does that mean? When these voice agents go into the field, they speak 11 languages. They speak 11 languages colloquially. What does that mean? So they speak between English, Hindi, Punjabi, and all the coastal languages from Gujarati to Bengali. And they speak those languages colloquially. They speak those languages like normal humans speak, right? The other thing that is also there is that any enterprise, when they want a voice agent or chat agent to interface with their customers, dealers, partners, vendors, citizens, they would like these agents to perform or to be adherent to their business SOPs. And these agents built on Sarvam Samvad will be mad consistent to any business or any government's SOPs, right? And the third most important thing is that what we are thinking of doing is that agents as code, so they can be elastically scaled up or elastically scaled down. So you do not need to plan for when the next support ticket is going to come in, when do you want to sell the next loan, when do you want to reach out to the next citizen to maybe ensure that they're enrolled in a scheme, stuff of that order.
Okay, that's helpful. So, if I have to ask in, what would be the different components of the Samvad platform across text to speech, LLMs, and others?
Sure, absolutely. So how we are architected is that we have our own language identification, voice activity detection, and speech recognition models. Our speech recognition models, we have two of them called Saras and Sarika. They do better than everything else available in the world on 11 Indian languages. As the voice flows into the platform, it hits the speech recognition models. The speech recognition model provides the input to the chat and the reasoning LLM. Of course, before any input goes to the chat and the reasoning LLM, it passes through guardrails that businesses can customize to their specific scenarios. This chat LLM is also able to call, and we provide options to have multiple chat LLMs. One of them is this model called Tota. The other one of them is called Sarvam Medium. There are going to be several other chat LLMs that we'll also provide in the very near future as well. But these chat LLMs are also capable of calling tools, accessing knowledge bases, right? Once the chat LLM has provided a response, this chat LLM, for it to become multilingual, colloquial, it passes through several translation, transliteration, and pre-TTS steps before it hits the TTS. Our TTS model is called Bulbul. Coincidentally, all of our models are named after birds, right? And Bulbul is the model that produces, synthesizes voices in human clone voices. So your voice agents produced on Samvad will actually sound like normal humans do, not just from the perspective of the what is said, from the perspective of how it is said as well.
Okay, that's interesting. So for customers who use the Microsoft stack, what kind of deployment options are available with these models?
Sure. So for the conversational AI platform, Samvad, number one, it's available as SaaS on Azure Marketplace. Number two, for extremely regulated industries, the whole platform is available to be deployed in customers' Azure VNets as well.
Okay.
For the model API platform, that is also available on the Azure Marketplace. Yeah.
Okay. Great. Thanks, Shubham, for sharing these details. Summarizing, voice is the new UI, and organizations who leverage this will lead the voice first revolution. For more details on Sarvam solutions, log into the Azure Marketplace or reach out to your Microsoft representative. We will continue today's session next week, wherein we have detailed demos of the Sarvam voice stack across manufacturing, retail, and other industries. Till then, see you. Bye bye.